Julie here from Down to Earth Detecting. I am back out on this amazing permission. I'm based in South Shropshire for anyone out there who's new and doesn't realise where I am. I've mentioned it a few times and written about it before in the past in other videos, but I'm based in South Shropshire, and this is on one of my permissions in that county, and we're quite close to the border of Wales as well. So there's quite a bit of history, but you really have to search hard here. It doesn't come easy. You can't just walk on and find Romans every 5 seconds and Celtic and bloody fibulas, and you know, it doesn't happen here. You really have to search through the rubbish, of which I found quite a bit this morning already. But I'm really excited because I've just done the trashy area and now I'm going to hit the really hot spot, and fingers crossed something good comes up. Thanks for joining me. Let's get out and get on. I can't wait. This is an interesting one. Quite deep. Pings up to 20. And just see where it actually is. I think it's there. Yeah, I think it's there. So it went anything from a 12 to a 20. Let's dig a big wide hole, because these are often quite deep on here because it's pasture. I've got a slight feeling that this little corner of the field's been used as a dump, because I can see lots of bits of brick waste and scrap bits of metal from furniture fittings in previous holes that I've been digging. Not holding out too much hope for this one. Dig a big wide hole, and then I'll try and flip her over hole. There you go. What the heck's that? That's it. Looks like a piece of... what do you think that is? It's a piece of... well, I don't know. Chromed, trimmed to something. It's had a fixing hole at both ends. Like I said, I think this corner of the field might be part of a car trim. I don't know. Has been used to tip stuff in the back in the day. So I'm going to give a quick scan over here and then move on to a more productive part of the field, I think. Right, let's move on. Well, this is another high in the 20s. Quite deep. We'll give that one a dig. Might be onto copper this time. It's under, well, almost under the branches of a tree. So I'm hoping I don't go through too many roots. Oh gosh, that's a bit hard. As you can see, the tree's just there. And up there, I'm literally underneath it. So, did someone take a jacket off under here? Or is there some more rubbish dumped? Oh, I got in that time, that's nice. Oh gosh. Yeah, very tricky to get in sometimes with the little tap roots that are coming out from the tree. Don't think it's out yet. Oh gosh. No, I'm not going to go through that one. That's a big old root. Right, let's see what we've got so far. It's out, thank God. And that's spoiled down there. See something white there? I thought that was a mushroom, but is that a little tiny... God, I can't even put my spade in the soil. Oh. Let's have a look together anyway. We'll see what it is. I'll turn you around. It's in here. Yeah, that is a mushroom, isn't it? Tiny little mushroom. So it's not that. It's not a tiny, what's it called? Not a tiny pistol shop. It's in this. It's in this. Nothing else there. Let's see. Oh, I can see it. There we go. That's a little bit of an imprint. What do you got? Another imprint. And we've got a George VI by the look of it. That's the late Queen's father. On the back, it's a ship. So it's a ship's halfpenny. Oh, there we go. Can you just about see that? Try and get a date. 1943? 1943, ship's halfpenny. So someone did take their jacket off here, perhaps. Shelter here 80 years ago, 81 years ago. Slight curve to it. Bless him. He's been under there for anywhere up to 81 years. Looking good, kid. Yeah, looking good. Ship's halfpenny. First coin of the day. Well, I've been digging down here for a pretty wee while, trying to get round this blooming tree root. It's not a very good signal. I don't even know why I'm doing this, but it was close to where I just found that ship's halfpenny. But it's way deep. And I'm trying to avoid all these blooming roots. And then there's more. Come on, come out. Oh, there you are, you bugger. How long have you been down there? Look at you. Look at you. You cheeky monkey thing, you. Right, sorry about that tree. Let's fill you up as best as I can. Okay, in the hole, back wall. Is that it? No, still in. I think it's still in that back wall. I'll get the big boy in and see what he says. I've been digging up a load of cartridges, so yeah, that's a stone. Let's go back up. It was a 9, and these cartridges have been coming in really low, at about 8, 9, so I'm not holding my breath. Oh, I did get it up. Let's twist you around there. It's out here somewhere. Oh, and what did I say? That's about my 5th one. I'm going to move away and try and find something slightly different. This is, gosh, so disappointing. And they're low numbers. They must be really old and thin. Right, carrying on. Right, here's another dodgy 8. Well, it was actually quite a clear 8. It didn't sound the same as the other gun cartridges did, so it's out in the spoil. Oh, there it is. Is that it? Okay. Very thin piece of white lead. Oh, didn't think I'd ever be so happy to see a thin piece of white lead in all my life. Let's see what else we can find. Your guess is as good as mine. I'm right by the fence, so it could be trash, but in here we've got a screecher. In my mind, that would be trash, but you never know. Just never know. It's a 14, and it's in this clod here somewhere. Watch out for the iron. Any rust? I'll just turn that on. Okay. Crikey, must be right in the middle of the clod then, a bit deeper in there. Okay. Oh no! Okay, they're being cheeky now. They're giving me a higher signal. You damn ratikins, you flipping heck. Honest to God. Okay, this was a very loud but dodgy 11-12, and it pinpointed. No, it's over there. There. Just want to get this worm out for a second. I'll put him back afterwards. Sorry, mate. Don't fight me. Don't fight me. Look at him. Go there a second. I'm going to be digging there. Don't go back there. Don't go back there. Oh no, he's coming back. What's that? Where was that worm there? Don't want to squash him. Oh, it's out. What's that? What is that? We've got a thing. Oh, nice. I think I found one of these before on here. It's a beautiful bag seal. It's got a number on it. Hooray! 346, 345, 336. Let's brush it quickly. Oh, little bag seal. That's better. You can hear that buzzing. Oh, you hear that buzzing? Yeah. Yeah, 346, I think. There you go. And that would have clipped onto maybe a bale of wool or wheat or corn or linen. Yeah, interesting. I imagine there would have been a marker on there for who it was. There is a sort of a little bit of a pattern, but I can't tell what it is. Might be able to get something off it later. Or it might just be scratches. Right, turn that thing off. Yeah. Cool. Something old. Not ancient, but it's old. A bit like me. Well, mind you, I'm a little bit ancient as well. Right, well, we'll give this one a dig then, shall we? What could possibly go wrong? How could this turn into a lump of iron? You better not do. Flipping heck. This little bit of land I'm going to call the Iron Age for the wrong reasons. It's just a certain little corner of the field. But you've got to cover all the bits of the field and find out what's prevalent in each area. So far it's been iron in here. Iron in that bag seal. Oh, and cartridges. Right. Still in there. Whereabouts are you? Back here if anywhere, so I'll reverse back in and flip just to get that little edge out. Still in there. Let's go down and have a look. What's the worst thing that could happen? What's the worst thing that could happen? She says. Ugh. I think I still got it on low sensitivity, so that's a good sign if I'm already on it. Oh, that's a funny colour bit. What have we got there? Yes, we got something. What is it? Is that a coin? I can't feel a shank. Oh my gosh, it is a coin. Wow. Okay. Flip. Oh. Wow, I imagine it's a coin. Well, I'm going to have to get squirting on it now. It's not going to be silver because that was a very low figure. Maybe it's just a, I don't know, farming tag? I'm going to have to take this one home and have a look at it because there's definitely something in the middle there. Might be an initial, I'm not sure. But this is really baked on this green crud. So it's possibly a coin or possibly, I don't know what. I really don't know. Yeah, I don't think it's silver. Well, it could be. I mean, it's thin. Yeah, I haven't got any foil on me, so I can't even do a silver test. It doesn't look hammered because I can't see anything on there. Was there a slight legend around that edge? Don't know. Find out later. If nothing comes up on the screen now telling you what it is, then I just never really found out. Could be anything. Okay, let's carry on. I've no more idea than you. So 13, I did dig a huge clod in case it was deep iron again, but it says it's in here. Of course it could be iron still. Not so deep now, I'm going closer to the top, aren't I? In there, what's that? That's not it. Oh. Get you closer for when it does pop out, whatever it is. But it's going to be a blooming shotty, isn't it? Oh, just be my light. Oh no, hold on. We've got something white. I think it's white. Oh my goodness, yes. It's a beautiful lead token that's folded in half. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. Can you see that? There's a cross and I can see some pellets. Oh, I'm so tempted to open it, but I know it might just snap because there could be the initials on the back of it. Oh, that's a wonderful find. I'm thrilled with that. Maybe when I get home and warm it up gently, it might be a bit more malleable. I don't know how long that's been like that, to be honest. No, I can't do it. But that is a beautiful, beautiful, if I can get that straightened up, beautiful lead token. Gorgeous, big one. Yes, I'm happy with that. Looks a bit like a tortilla now, doesn't it? That's a wrap. This is a curious one because I'm right by the hedge, so it could be trash. Screeching 25, 26. Let's dig her up. Copper, nothing else. A lump of brass or something. I'm hoping it's not aluminium. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to have to avoid catching my jacket on the barbed wire. Not easy. There we go, I think I've got around it. Bit of a skew whiffy plug there. Right, which way should we flip her today? Let's flip her that way. What have we got? Oh, that's blooming loud. What the heck are you going to be? Don't be horrible. Face you down into the hole with me so you can see what I can see. That's root. Can't see anything there. That's a stone. Let's turn her on. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look. Oh, look. 2 coins together. Oh my god, one's broken. Oh no, that's not a coin, that's the... That is so deceptive, isn't it? That's an imprint underneath it. I thought it was 2 coins together. Oh, that was perfect. Perfect pinpointing. Still feels like there's something else in here, but let's have a look at this one first. Yeah. Let's give it a little gentle clean. I think I can see a portrait facing, yeah, it's a George III straight away. You see the pips coming up there, 111 for George, and he's facing to the right. There's the Britannia. I wasn't expecting that. I thought it's going to be blooming trash. Well done, Georgie. And I can see a date. 1796, is that? Right at the bottom there. I can get that off there. I know it doesn't show very well on here. Was that? It looks like 18 something. Yeah, maybe it is. Maybe it is. Let me check if I can see the name. Definitely says George, I think. Georgius the Third. Okay. He had a long reign then, didn't he? Because I think that's his... Oh, it could be 1806. Ah, that's why. 1806. I thought, blooming heck, he just went on for decades, didn't he? But, yeah, there he is. George the Third, and I should say that's a halfpenny. It's not very big. But I'm surprised there was anything coming off of that at all. Happy with that? Perfectamundo. Okay, this was a deep one. Says it's out and spoiled now. It was 1314. Oh, I'm straight on it. I was just about to say I'll move you around, but I'm straight on it. In here somewhere. Okay, what are you? The heck is that? What the heck is that? Is that another big lump of lead? I think it is. It's a round edged bit of something. Okay, that's it. Lump of lead. Let's carry on. Now I'm just curious. Nice tune. See what it is. Probably a piece of wire or something, because it's a wiggly sound. Or it could be another piece of lead, I guess. Or a bit of aluminium can. Let's have a look. Right, near the fence again, where I just found that George III halfpenny a second ago. Just a bit further along. Let's see, can we see anything? No, it's still in the hole. Let's go in a bit deeper. Clear it out. What's that? Is that a twig? What's that bit of wire? Huh? More in that edge, I think. We'll go down. We'll go down and see. Get in the hole. Get in the hole with me. There you go. I think it's around there somewhere. Oh, get this grass out of the way. Doesn't sound very good, does it? Sounds hollow behind there. Oh, what the heck? There's something there. And it's got a rim to it. Can you see that? See that round edge? Is that a coin? What the heck is that? Is it joined onto something else? Gosh. Let's do a little bit of a dig back a little bit. See if I can loosen anything. Is there anything there? Oh, crikey, what are you? Oh, I think it's just a coin. I say just a coin. I thought it was a canister at first. It's such a thick rim. No. Oh my goodness, it's a beauty. Let's pull you around a second. It's an absolute stonker of a cartwheel, I think. Blooming heck. Let's clean her up. No, I think it is a cartwheel. The more I look at it now. Which again, it's George III, which would be 1797. Need to fill up my water spray. It's just about emptied. Alright, I think we've got some on there. Don't know who. Okay, let's go the other side. Oh, it's got writing around the edge. Is it? Oh, there's the Britannia. Okay. We've got Britannia with writing around the edge. And the date 1797. Yeah, it's a cartwheel. Where's Georgie? Gosh, my water's just given up. He must be there, pointing to the right there somewhere. Fantastic! I found a cartwheel on here. That's really big and chunky, that one. Wow. Loving this. Right by the fence as well. They must have had brakes or something close to the edge of the field. Stuff's fallen out of their pockets during the break. Because cartwheel penny, it'd buy you a loaf of bread, milk, feed your family for a few days, that would. That's a lot of money to lose. Oh, he's coming through there now. He's coming through. That is a lot of money to lose. Good old cartwheel penny. And I have done a piece on cartwheel pennies before, about a year ago, about the history of them, about why they're so big, because they were worth their weight in copper. So that was a penny's worth of copper. And it's so many grams, and in the end they couldn't afford to keep making them because copper became quite rare, hard to look at that beautiful Georgius there. It's coming right out now. Georgius third. What a stonker. Yes. Right, I'm making my way back to the car now. I've got an 11. As it's an 11, I thought I'd film it. Must be right behind there. Although I have been caught out in the past, but there we go. Oh, come on, beetle. Why would you go exactly where I'm going to dig, you silly thing? That doesn't look very good, does it? Oh, hold on. Is it out? That was all rust, but it might have just been a little patch. Oh no, it's rust. How can 11 be that? Oh my god. Where does it end? Oh. Okay. Let's see what I can bring out. What have we got? Well, hey! My first ooh of the day. Oh, yes. Alright, this is a chirpy one, but it's right by the gate. I'm that far from the gate, if you can see. Gotta dig it. I'd dig if it was anywhere else in the field. So I'm going to dig it here. As long as it's not too compacted with all the stones and everything. Might just be part of rubble that's been brought in to stop the entrance being too boggy. But no. I've gone straight in, so might be a legitimate signal. We'll soon find out, won't we? Oh, as she says. Let's get you up a bit so you can have a look as well as I'm digging. Oh. It's got really sunny and warm. I've got a hoodie on and my waterproofs on. Oh, and my thermal trousers on. Oh, there's something hard there. I don't know what that is. Brick or iron. We'll soon find out. But it sounds coppery to me. Okay. Still in the ale. Nothing obvious, but there was a big hard thing about there. See if I've got it out. Yeah, got it out. It's 22 now. And I'm thinking I can see something suspiciously like a musket ball there. Could be wrong. Could just be a ball of lead or something weird. Just down there. I'll get the pointer out. That looks weird, doesn't it? It's probably what it's going to be. I'll just get the pointer on. Yeah, that's what it is. Nothing else in there. I have no idea what that is. I'm going to say it's really, really compressed aluminium, maybe? It's got a goldy look about it. There we go. A bit shinier there. Don't know. Probably never will know. Gosh, it's turned into a lovely afternoon, evening. What is it? Coming up to 4 o'clock. And like in 2.5, 3 hours time it will be dark. So the winter nights are drawing in pretty damn fast. I've been out here for about 4 hours, so that's enough for me. I've gridded a little box-sized area, about 500 by 500 yards, which is in like an L shape on the field. So I've done that bit. One bit was really iron infested, the other bit had lots of bits of lead, and around the outside there were the copper coins. So, you know, didn't do too badly really. And now I know I've sort of done that. I mean, I've not done it properly. I was just zigzagging up and down, up and down. But it's exhausting because you're digging loads of holes. As you know, if you detect, you spend most of your time digging up rubbish, and like 10%, if you're lucky, of your finds are actually worth looking at. Actually, I'll show you quickly what I did find today. Apart from a few other scraps of lead which are in my thing, but that is not bad, is it? That's not a bad old haul really. Got that lovely cartwheel, that token which I'll take a closer look at, beautiful George III halfpenny, bag seal, George VI, yeah, George VI chip halfpenny, don't know what this is yet, and a button. And the rest was iron or little nuggets of lead, which I've probably got at the bottom of my bag, but I don't want to bore you with those. So I don't think I've done too badly. And on that note, I shall leave you, because I know there's more to be found in this field, and I just wanted to get that bit out of the way. And I'll be back out here tomorrow, and I've also got some other fields on the same permission to go on. If I'm finding it a bit hard going on here tomorrow, I might go on some ploughed. Who knows? The world is my oyster, as they say. Anyway, ta-da for now. I'm off ski. Ta-ra. Gotta lock this gate because the sheeps are in. See ya. Of course, as you know, I've got to come back for the camera. I love those shots people do where you see them walking off into the distance. They forget that, you know, we know you got to come back for the damn equipment. It's so funny. People walking over stiles, going off into the hills, and you're thinking, bloody hell, they must have so much energy, because now they've got to come all the way back and get their camera. And I've actually got you propped up on my detector, my spade, my headphones and my camera, so I ain't leaving that in the fields. See you later, bye for now.